So guys, may I tell you say, you see how Jamaican dogs stay? Nothing no waste. Look how the dog them a fight with jelly meat. Eh? I who did know say dog eat jelly meat? Look there. Eh? Fight them a fight for jelly meat, brother. So guys, may I tell you, I saw them love, all of them love jelly meat. Look there. May have to chop you out and give them. Then fight for it. See a piece of pepper. So guys, instead of me make the jelly meat, cut it and throw it away, make them eat it. And them love it. Look there. And pepper. No fear one. I first see them eat it, so no. They love it, look there. Look how you take up that piece. They know want to share it. You take up thin piece and then I look some eat it comfortable. You see that, guys? A Jamaican dog they be born. No fear. Let me tell you. No, sir. Now I enjoy the jelly meat, guys. To hold them a dog love jelly meat. Some other one guys, I'm gonna chop that one for them too. Give me a minute. So that's how I chop it for them. Hey sweetie. Hey little girl. Hey sweetie.